Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In the last videos, we discussed about arithmetic exception, when that arithmetic exception is going to rise. Now, in this video, I am going to talk about one more exception like array index out of bounds exception. As the name itself is giving very clear idea when this exception is going to rise, if we are trying to access the elements from an array, so with out of range, so then we are going to get this exception. Let us take one example program to demonstrate this array index out of bound exception. So if you take a program like consider I am defining an array, one dimensional array A with some elements like triple one, triple two, triple three. So if you are talking about the indexes, this triple one is located in the index 0, and triple two is located in the index 1, and triple three is located in the index 2. Now I want to print the element which is available at 0th location. So what will happen? We are going to use A of 0, right? Subscript followed by 0 we are taking. Then what output we are going to get? So what is the element available at 0th location? Triple one will come. If you want, you can see the output what we are getting is triple one. Now I want to access the element present at first location and second location. What output we will get here? Triple two and triple three we are going to get. So if you want, just you can cross check. So now my requirement is I want to access the element which is present at the third location. But you can see there is no third location, right? But compiler is going to always check within parentheses whether you are giving an integer value or not. Yes, we have given integer value only. So it is valid. So what will happen? Compiler is going to promote this. But when you are executing the program, we will get array index out of bound exception like this. So if you want, you can cross check. Is the code is going to compile? Yes, perfectly compiles. But when we are running, so since the third location element is not there, we are getting this exception. Even this exception is also defined inside a lang package. All the exceptions are available in the lang package only. So array index out of bound exception. I hope you people got very clear idea about array index out of bound exception also. This is nothing but what we have. Okay. Thank you.